Hazrat Ali gave instructions for health as as-saruro yabsutu nafsa. Happiness expands the heart. Wal ghammu yakbizu nafs. And grief hurts the heart. He advised Tawakkabul barda fi awwalihi. Be careful with cold in the beginning. Watallaquhu fi akhirihi. And finally welcome it. فَإِنَّهُ يَفْعَلُ فِي الْأَبْدَانِ كَفِعْلِهِ فِي الْأَشْجَارِ. Because winter acts on human body like trees. أَوَّلُهُ يَحْرِقُ وَآخِرُهُ يُورِقُ. In the beginning it scorches the trees, and in the end it makes the trees lush and green. He said, with three things memory stays fresh and sharp. Qira'atul Qur'ani was Sawaki was Siyam, recitation of the Holy Quran, Miswak, and fasting. Barley bread removes the diseases from the stomach. Gava strengthens the stomach by cleansing it. Eating pears makes the heart strong. Then he said, Kulu rumana bi shahmehi fa innahu dibagul me'da. Eat pomegranate with the inner membranes as it rejuvenates the stomach. Don't miss dinner, otherwise physical diseases will arise. He directed, don't be afraid of flu because it protects from madness, whereas cough protects against paralysis. When you sit down to eat, wash your hands even if they are already clean. It is narrated, La yajtamiul ju'u wal mars. Hunger and disease can't coexist. La tastarihi mastata'at al qiyama min al illati. Don't lie in the bed for no reason until the disease allows you to stand.